Hey, good day, and thank you for joining us here at San Diego Technical Pros. My name is Greg. I'm a lead technician here with 33 years service experience in refrigeration and HVAC. So let's see what we have up today. I believe we have a LG refrigerator. This particular model is a Kenmore that we're going to actually look at. Kenmore, this particular 795 model number is made by LG. This photo here gives us kind of a crude rendering of what it looks like. The problem with this one, when we open our doors, we see that we have an error code, an ERRF code. So we have a refrigerator fan error code. So as we look into the refrigerator, on that back panel, the back wall, there's a fan in there that is not operating. We can get this code for several different reasons. If the fan itself cannot spin, if the motor itself has failed, or if the motor is not getting enough voltage from the main control board. So there's a couple different things that can give us this error code, so maybe we'll check out the first one. How about that? Let's look in to see if there's anything blocking the fan. So we go to that image there, pulled off the back wall. We can see the fan is clear. There's a little bit of ice buildup on the evaporator, but not enough to stop the fan. When we get a hold of the fan blade, it does spin freely. So we know the fan is not obstructed. So what would be our next step then? We go around to the back of the unit. That's where the main control board is located. Taking off the back panel. Now we need to find the appropriate wire harness, and we're going to have to do some voltage checks. We need to check pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3 of a certain harness on this particular board. So let's start off by checking out pin 1 to pin 3. So what we're reading here is voltage, feedback voltage to the motor, and we have a registration here of 2.618. So in this instance, when we do this test, if it is 0 or if it is 5, then we replace the motor. So this tells us that the motor is good. So we'll follow that up with our second test, which is testing pin 1 and pin 2. What we're looking for here is 12 volts or above. So anytime we have a meter reading below 12 volts, we're going to be interested in this. And if you look at the meter, we'll see it is 10.43. So we're below 12 volts. So in this instance here, our correct diagnosis would be to replace the main control board. So that whole control board right there would get replaced. That will cure that fan error and get the refrigerator back up and running. Thanks for watching today. This is not a do-it-yourself video. We are not encouraging you to take off the back panel and expose the main control board. This should only be done by a qualified technician. However, what we are trying to do is educate you in helping you to understand how technical today's refrigerators are. How you can't just shotgun it, as the industry calls it, where you just throw a bunch of parts at something and hope one of those is the problem. If you're paying for the repair, this means you could be spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars and still not fix the problem. So we're trying to earn your business by showing our level of expertise and qualifications in repairing not only LG or Kenmore refrigerators, but any make and model. Thanks again for joining us. Have a good day.